Hello everyone, this video is for everyone who enjoy creativity and simple DIY craft ideas. Sometimes we look at beautiful decoration online and think they must be very difficult to make. But the truth is that many creative things can actually be made in very simple ways. All it takes is a little imagination and the willingness to try something new. DIY crafting is a wonderful way to explore creativity. It allows us to turn simple material into something unique and beautiful. Things that may seem ordinary can become creative decorations when we start looking at them with a different perspective. For example, even a simple sheet of paper can become something amazing when it is shaped and arranged creatively with different colors and pattern. Paper can easily turn into decoration design that brighten up, and with different color and pattern, paper can easily turn into decorative design that brighten up any space. Another interesting thing about DIY craft is that they encourage us to see value in every object that we normally ignore or throw away can become part of something creative. With a little effort and imagination, ordinary material can become beautiful decoration pieces. Crafting is not about only making decoration. It is also about enjoying the process of creating something with your own hand. With your start working on a craft project, allow you to focus your attention and enjoy to calm creative moment. Many people enjoy DIY crafts because they are relaxing and satisfying. It feels good to create something yourself and see the final result. Even simple project can bring a sense of creativity and accomplishment. Another great thing about DIY craft is that everyone can create something in their own style. Two people can use the same idea and still create completely different result. That is what makes creativity so interesting. DIY craft can also inspire new ideas. Once you start experimenting with colors, shape and designs, you begin to notice creative possibility everyone around you. DIY craft can also inspire new ideas. Once you start experimenting with color, shape and you begin to notice creative possibility everywhere around you. Sometimes the smallest creative touch can completely change the look of something simple, and little imagination can transform ordinary material into something that looks beautiful and unique. If you enjoy creative inspiration and love exploring new DIY ideas, then crafting can be a great hobby to try. You don't need expensive tools or complicated materials. Just start with simple ideas and let your creativity grow. If you enjoyed the creative inspiration in this video, please support the channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep discovering more creative DIY craft inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to DIY Craft Gallery and turn on the notification bell so you won't never miss a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video with more creative DIY craft ideas. Thank you.